With the osapiens maintenance application, we really brought forward a contemporary solution where we now have mobility, we have visibility and accuracy, both to the work that's done, the parts that are used, and ultimately resulting in productivity and increased user satisfaction. In terms of the amount of work that is processed, so we talk about efficiency. With a mobile application, visibility to the work instructions, visibility to the parts, the technicians are able to have higher throughput with a higher quality. So working with Osapien, I would say first of all it starts with the talent and quality of the offering. Next, it's the way we work together, the interactions and the methods that we deliver the solutions. Ultimately though, we're talking about results, and the solutions that we have with Osapiens deliver and perform. You know, I work with a lot of solution providers, and I can confidently say on the heels of the success with our maintenance, data hub, and last mile delivery, Osapiens is one of the top solution providers that works with CONA.